So this is my first time having fully tonkatsu meal. She's gonna be the guide, and so if the food is bad, I'm gonna blame her. So what are we having? We're having like a combo katsu.
And then there's one that has egg on top of katsu.
Wow. I cannot wait to eat this. I've never had this before, and we are here in Shibuya trying this out. So hopefully it's delicious, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be good. It's the first meal, and what is this meal called?
I think it's a pork cutlet.
Okay, it's a pork cutlet.
Pork cutlet, and then this is some cutlet with the cheese.
Okay.
That looks good.
Okay, so this is the first one. This is entirely, and I've never had this before. The other meal I ordered, I don't think she's had either as well. And we have some green tea here, so I can't wait to try this. Oh, so here's mine. Oh, wow, I don't know what this is. That's cheese and tonkatsu?
No, it's not cheese, it's egg.
Egg.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's egg in it.
Okay, so I'm gonna try this. How is this made again?
So this is cutlet,
Okay.
like a pork cutlet, and then they put egg around. And then there's some onions as well. But if it's like a chicken, they call it like a mother and daughter dish.
Wow.
So it's like
That is so
we
odd.
call it oyakodon, which is like oya is parent and then ko is child. So like that's yeah, but this is not exactly oyakodon, but yeah.
Okay. Gotta try this out for the first time. This looks delicious, and I've never ever had this before. I have had tonkatsu, but typically in America, the tonkatsu comes in with a set, so you don't necessarily have an entire meal with just tonkatsu. So this is definitely different, and so I'm gonna try this right here. This is tonkatsu with cheese. Do I dip it with anything? Or?
Do you want to put a little bit of a sauce on top?
Sure.
Let me put it in.
Okay. What type of sauce is that again?
It's similar to Worcestershire sauce, I think.
Okay, wow. All right, so this is my first time trying this. Wow. That is, wow. That is, I know this is gonna sound bad, but this is the best tonkatsu I've ever had. Because this is very soft, but also it's this crunchy feeling. Like tonkatsu in America, at least the ones I've had, it's like crunchy, but it doesn't have the same softness and texture. And of course, it's delicious. And do you eat it with the rice?
Yeah, that's how we usually eat it.
Okay, so you eat it with the rice.
Everything comes with the rice.
And there's also some soup. I think this is miso soup.
You can mix it a bit.
So she's saying you can mix it up a bit.
Yeah.
And typically, not always, but normally whenever I get miso soup, you don't get a spoon, so you just drink it out of the bowl. Okay, so I've tried that. So what do you think?
It's great. I love it.
And what about this? Can you show me how you eat it?
How I eat it?
Yeah, yeah.
You just pick the thing.
Okay, so look at how cheesy this is. Look at this.
It's not cheese though, it's an egg.
Oh, egg. It looks like cheese
But
to me.
it does like that cheese.
Yes.
So we get this part.
Okay.
Now
All
you
right.
Eat it.
Okay, so she showed me how to do it. So I'm gonna try this for the very first time. Man, I'm so excited to eat this. Okay, so, oh, it just kind of falls apart. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this for the first time.
I love your reaction. How good.
It's really good. Wow, okay, you could also
juice
get some of the juices in the rice as well.
That's a Japanese way of eating.
Yep. So, wow, this is delicious. Okay, so her recommendations were correct. It's delicious, so it's okay. I won't blame her for bad food. Not today. So when do you eat this with it?
Whenever you want. And this one is all you can eat, so you can order as much as you can.
So yeah, you get the miso, all you can eat. The vegetables, all you can eat. And
Rice is all you can eat.
all you can eat too. Wow.
And you can put this sauce on top for this
Oh.
one. Yeah, it has no taste, right?
Okay, what type of sauce is this?
It's called yuzu dressing. So yuzu is like a lime in Japan.
Oh.
It has a distinct smell. It's nice.
Okay. So she's also a professional chef as well.
No, spicy mustard thing.
It's like spicy. So you just dip the tonkatsu
Dip
with
the
it?
tonkatsu with it, yeah.
Okay.
It's sometimes we have it, yeah, like that.
Okay. Oh. It's kind of like eating wasabi.
Yeah, it is similar to wasabi, yeah.
Okay, I think I might become a fan of just tonkatsu meals. This is so good. The whole video is just so good.